Facebook, I presented a set of challenges. Basically, it was a giveaway, survival weekend with me, one-on-one. And the challenge that was picked out by the machine was for me to be in a almost ice cold water for 2 minutes straight. Okay, I've never done it. I've been in for a minute. I don't have a lot of body fat. I'll be losing heat from my body pretty rapidly. So let's do it. Yeah. Ah! Whoa.
How do you feel?
Okay.
How do you feel?
Oh. Of course.
Almost 1 minute.
I want to get out.
1 minute. Want to go? Minute and 20. 25. 30. 50. Few more seconds and you're done.
Friends.
Okay,
Oh,
2 minutes.
Oh, good bless me. Oh.